Okay, hi, Patty Jo here. I am moving on with the Motorcycle Broken Down saga. I have done a few things. Number one, gotten the service manual for my Harley and printed out the pages that said something about the fuses. I do think this is above my comfort zone or outside of my comfort zone, so I'm probably not going to do this, but I did want to take a look before I pulled this thing back off of this garage dolly and started the process of washing it in the rain. I have just finished my bicycle ride with my puppy. She wasn't really down for it today, but we did go on about a half-hour bicycle ride, so I do walk her even though I can't really walk very far anymore. But here we go. So it says, I did have this off, of course, before. Fuse box location, and then it points to, I think it's this deal right here. Beer. I don't know what this is then. I think this was my security thing because I did something with that at one point. Okay. And then remove the seat. See figure 75, pull off fuse box cover. And that's where you lose me. I am not comfortable pulling off that fuse box cover. I do not wish to pull off this fuse box cover. I am going to trust my mechanics at my local Harley Davidson dealership. Thank you, Dan, calling you out at Old Glory. They're fantastic. They answer my questions, even though they're lengthy and often stupid and repetitive. They're very encouraging and always have been ever since I learned how to ride. So, and still learning. So, I have reached my level of comfort. If anybody wants to comment on this and see if they want to encourage me to go further, or if you're agreeing that probably if I've reached my own level of comfort, I should stop. I'm gonna put the seat back on and pull this off of the garage dolly. I don't know if I'm gonna do that on video because I'm not sure I want a record of this falling down if I do so. We gotta do. Okay, this probably came out. We'll just file this for now. Yes, that was trash. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. I took off the. Where did I put it? Okay. Stupid thing. I put these on here so I don't lose them. And then I forgot that I put them there so I don't lose them. So typical of me. Line it up. On it goes. Perfect. I'm gonna put that under or above. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to scratch because with the laminate tight enough to move. I'm going to see how this video works too. A friend of mine told me set it up and don't move it. Although I did like the walk around of the bike because I love my motorcycle. And I am trying on my phone instead of the GoPro to see. I am limited in resources, so I'm using what I have. Hand tight. All right, I know I'm in neutral. Let's see if I'm in neutral from the last time I left it there. Probably a bad practice, but that's what I did. Woo, it's warm and it's humid outside, so I'm like dripping now. Plus, I just went on that bike ride. All right, so easy daisy. Now I have to kick this up to reach my kickstand. and then put my board back down. I am neutral. I can tell because I'm able to move it. Come on. Rocking and rocking right on the edge of the rack. Just make it harder. Impossible. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. I guess when it moved, it scooted like at an angle. So we're on the ramp now. Come on, rock. Rock it, baby, rock it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. I can do this. All right, rest for a second. I got it. Boom. And I'm off. And I'm still in the garage, so I don't have to do anything else. Kickstand down. I'm not going to put anything under that kickstand for now. Like a pad or a puck. Because I just know I'm going to wash it and let them tow it. And I'm going to leave it alone. So off. We are solid. Sorry, we are not solid. Now we're solid. We are solid and parked. So a little later after I cool off, I'm going to definitely wash this baby. I'm not going to take it out of the garage. I'm just going to wash it right here. I do still love this thing. Totally worth it. So we're both up. I'm gonna leave it alone right here for now. It's not bothering anybody. Okay, so that's that. Waiting for the tow. The tow will come on Wednesday, and maybe I'll video that too. We'll see how this works out. Thank you guys. Oh, I should have turned that